Hello traders. So today this is the exchange C where we are trading in the MT5, and you can see that today even the market in MT5 it is open. It's crypto market will remain always 24 hours. So this account we are updating, and last update was 0.2425 near profit from the 1 BTC deposited, and this is the deposit address. So the current profit is 0.03, and we are going to book the profit almost $2,000 profit, $2,000 or $1,500 profit, as we have just traded a small quantity, and we will book the profit here, close with 0.5, and yes, the trade has been closed and the capital has increased to 0.27, and these are all the trades since the beginning of the account. So this account can directly copy to your account, and whatever the trade we placed, it will be placed in your account proportional to your capital. Suppose if you put a 0.1, or mean to say $5,000 capital or 0.1 BTC, the trade will be placed not 0.5 but 0.05. Likewise, if you put 0.01 BTC, the trade will be placed 0.05. And if you put a 10 BTC, then the trade quantity will be the 0.5 and your return will be 0.3 higher than that. So as per the proportional, lot size will be traded as per your capital, and it will be copied immediately whenever we place the trade in this account. So connect your account, or either you can ask the advice service where we will guide you where to enter and where to book profit. If you do not want to trade, but if you wanted to participate in the long term and you want to take the entry from the oversold condition where the demand is very high, and when the supply is high, we will tell you to sell, so you can get precise entry and exit. So hope it is understandable, and it's very enjoyable to see the trades, live trades and live coaching and live understanding of the crypto market. Wish you happy trading.